Okay, so this will be a video of the Airshow. Yes, I know, I just made a video today, well, yesterday, but, something interesting again with Ethan. And, yeah, we should have brought, like, noise-canceling headphones or something like some of those people did, and it's gone. So, yeah, I literally went to the car show yesterday, and then today I'm out here recording the air show, wherever the planes went. I don't know where they went, but anyways, we're at near the pier, and it's actually pretty warm, right then? Are you hot?
The gangster sunglasses.
Those glasses look pretty, they're like my grandma's sunglasses.
They are not.
Yeah, she wears these like really big sunglasses, like that.
They're just bit, the sides are a little bit thick.
Oh, it's probably like helps you like see stuff from the sun more. Oh yeah, and also yeah, they're like recorder sunglasses, and there's the planes all the way out there. There they are. Wow, that's cool. Oh, because it goes so fast, the noise, it's like really loud, and you can't hear until the lake that warm. Here's the lovely sand. It's like millions of people out on the beach, too. Wow, that's gonna be a good part for my video. Where? Can't see them. Oh, there they are. It's like, wow, he really doesn't want to take a bath. It's not even a bath, technically. There they go. There's all these bikes that all these people have here. And yeah, so we're at the beach watching the air show, and I don't know where they went. They're like all the way out there somewhere.
Yeah, and then the kid like that.
Yeah, because that's what Iggy does in Super Mario Richie. And I guess we're going to take a little tour around the beach.
Watch SMR.
No, I'm going to record this video first. Ah, that's just a boat. I'm like, what the heck? Is a plane that close? I think Ethan's mom wants to wait to... Oh, there's the planes!
Jets.
Yeah, well, technically they're jets. Oh, that sucks. My phone's like 80%. Yeah, Ethan's mom's phone just died. Up there they are. That's not good. I was recording that, so at least it wasn't that loud. It wasn't that loud, right, Ethan? There's people like playing volleyball. When all this is going on, they're playing volleyball. Yeah. Cheese. Ethan's obsessed with... Are you obsessed with cheese?
No. Let's go down. We just need to try to find my friend, because I know she has a portable charger.
Okay. We're going to go and see if we can find a portable charger, so I will be back when we go and find one. Where?
Right here.
Not near a charger, but there's some interesting planes, so why not record some more? Next time, I'm definitely going to see if I can bring my dad's noise-canceling Turtle Beach headset for the Xbox.
Probably gonna do something tricky.
Because literally, you can't hear anything with that headset. Look at that thing go. And then once the big plane comes, I'm doomed because I'm recording. Oh, there it goes. So Ethan, how do you like the air show so far?
I see the plane.
I could barely see it. Ethan's having a fun time so far, right, Ethan? I actually did not expect to get this close to the planes, which is really cool.
Only the best for you boys.
And now
Sitting in $400,000 cars last night.
Yeah.
And then we're at the air show today.
Yeah.
I wonder what the poor kids are doing.
Yeah. Ethan, I wonder what all of our other friends are doing right now. Probably like playing video games or something. Yeah, that's a good episode, so go check that out. Anyways, I will catch you later when the big plane comes. Okay, so we are currently waiting in this line for Ethan's mom to charge her phone because it died. And here is to get to the Pacific Airlines show. And look at this plane. It's a lovely old plane. What?
Right there.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh yeah, that is a bomber. That's like a 1940s bomber right there. 1996. Never mind. It's a 1996 bomber. That was like the 1940s or something. So yeah, we're just waiting in this line to see if we can do anything about Ethan's mom's phone, and I will catch up or when I see another big plane coming. So yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at him. Oh, it's a person.
Oh my god! Yes, this will be on YouTube and Instagram. Wow. That's really amazing. Those are literally parachuters up there. They're so high up in the sky. Look at him twirl. Look at that is really amazing. Oh my god, wow. Oh, one made it. This is the second one. He's about to make it. And he made it. Oh, wait, no, he didn't. Now he did. Wow, that's really stunning. Back with some more plane action. Wow, it's a beautiful plane going around the beach and doing crazy tricks. Look at that go. Oh, you can't see it anymore. It's all the way out in the distance. Oh my god, those people in the boats. All the way out there. They have like their best view of the planes. Okay, so I'm back with more videos with Ethan and his mom, and oh my god, look at that place. Wow, that's a great way to start off to a lovely YouTube video. That's very nice, right, Ethan? sunglasses are pretty gangster. We're gonna stand out here and watch more of the planes go by, and here's all the boats all the way out in the distance if you could see it. Earlier I was posting stuff on Snapchat and I had to type so fast because like it went so fast. I didn't want to miss anything. So this will be my last part of this video, and yeah, tons of people out here on the beach, so we had to sit way in the back, but we still got really good views, right Ethan?
Yeah.
And oh, there they go. Look at that go. And hopefully next year we go on the boats. I'm gonna see if I could use my dad's sound canceling Turtle Beach headset, because that would be really nice for this. Because the headset, you can barely hear yourself talking. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. So earlier when we were out there was like planes that just came like right over here, like all of a sudden, and we weren't even prepared.
On a boat. Maybe next year we'll do the Airshow first and the auto show. Second.
Yeah. Planes all the way out there. They're so far away. Yeah, this was a crazy experience. Sometimes they wouldn't be loud, other times they'll be so loud. Earlier, all this was like, it was almost like fog. It was like, of all like the, you know, the dust from the planes and all the smoke. Wow, it's like a dozen planes all the way out there. Yeah, so many. And it is currently 3:44, and we may be leaving soon, so of course I have to record all this lovely planes, all the lovely planes coming by.
No problem.
And oh wow, you can see Catalina all the way out there. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I could see Catalina all the way out there. Sun is pretty bright and it's really warm outside, right Ethan? And Ethan, how are you liking the air show so far?
Good.
Is it better than the car show?
No.
The boat just as good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both just as good. Yeah. Wow, look at all that smoke.
That was pretty. Look at it. Red, purple.
Yeah. It was red and white, but no blue. The sky's blue, so technically they're doing an American flag right there. Which is pretty neat. Very spectacular. And we're gonna head out more this way, and I'm gonna record one last plane going by, and that will be it for the day. So I really hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and I hope you're watching my other video I just posted today. Yeah, the car show. Thanks for reminding me, Ethan. And I really hope you guys are liking that too. Yeah. There's all the smoke from all the planes, and look at all that smoke. And wow, now it's finally starting to get cooler with a nice breeze.
Plus camera or the iPhone X camera?
You're asking my fans or me? Who, me? I like the iPhone X camera better. It's nicer.
Because the flashlight is connected to the camera, not like the camera and then the flashlight. It's all in the
Yeah.
It's much easier.
Yeah. There's some over there. Some out there.
Every night, all I can
rip on my couch every time I look at all their videos. It's like,
Oh, look at that seagull. Poor seagull. To face all the stuff I'm facing right now. Plane should be out there somewhere. Somewhere out there.
Oh, the red smoke in the sky.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Really nice. Finally, they did red, white, and blue. What we all been waiting for. Yeah. I literally almost missed it. I'm like, oh my god, I should get my phone out and record it. Oh my god, look how high they're going. Yeah. It's crazy. Yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. And yeah, don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next big, epic little video adventure of mine. So yeah, peace.